Run for Humanity 2026, February 14. This is more on a volunteer run and hindi ako run. Run for Humanity. The runners are all out at 5:15. Puntang Jollibee. 14. Kumbaga, to each his own kami ng aking Habibi.
Hello mga katita, this is Tita Barla. Tita Barla Loving Life. Yes, welcome to my vlog. Tita Barla at ang bago niyang buhay. Subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. See ya!
Hi! Good morning! Happy Valentine's! Run for Humanity 2026, February 14. Ay, Valentine's Day! Good morning everyone, this is Tita Barla. Welcome to my channel. Happy Valentine's everyone! Yes, totoong February 14. This is more on a volunteer run and hindi ako run. Here for picture lang actually. Volunteer run for humanity yon. Run for humanity. And my husband is a volunteer of Red Cross. So andito sila ngayon for the event. And at the same time yung sa radio, volunteer din siya doon. So ang Red Cross nakikipagnayan doon sa Red Cross. So he is here for the event as mga coordinations. And then ako, andito lang for the event. After this, kukuha lang ako ng konting mga clippings and I'll be back to my being a tindera. Yan. Oh, that's it. They have the unity running. So the Red Cross are busy. It's their activity today. Na are here. Dalawa na sila. Yan si husband reading busy. Ayun naman yung isa. Yun ang taga-radio niya. Still 3:39 AM. Yan, it's still 3:39 AM, February 14. Kasi ang mga Red Cross, since it's their event, so sila maaga. So that's why I'm also here dahil kay husband. Ayun sila, oh. Andun ang registration. Hi! Wala, tanaw-tanaw lang ko ha. Mga t-shirt na hindi pa na-claims. And they have the registrations. Registration area. Still busy preparing.
Nakita na mo.
Yan. Claro, it's not clear, so maybe later I will have it checked.
Good morning, volunteers! Happy Valentine's Day! Indeed, you are really in love because you are with us this morning. Kaway naman sa mga in love dyan! Ako na ba yung in love, Mami? Again, kaway sa mga in love dyan! Okay, always first, always ready, always there. That's our slogan for Philippine Red Cross. Always first, always ready, always there. Louder please, once again. Always first, always ready. All right, thank you so much. On behalf of the Philippine Red Cross, blood services, disaster response, health programs, and community services. Run with purpose, we run with compassion, and we run for humanity. Please help us in promoting in our social media accounts our official hashtag for this morning. Hashtag run with a heart, run for humanity.
Run with the heart, run with the mind.
Are you now ready? Yay, yes. Before we begin our program, may we request everyone to please stand for the opening prayer.
Ano ba yan? can have a good shot. Kaso nga, di ba, kanina is, ang dilim pa. Ay, hayag na kayo. Ano sa dito di ay? Nahayag na.
Fun and Fit Fitness Gym.
They warm up. Yung mga white ang runners. Warm up.
Okay, runners, please remain in the start line. Please
Akong taga-usisa. Yeah. Oh, hi! Thank you, volunteer. Ano ba yan? BP na ah. Wala pa man nagsugot. Wala pa man, sa'yo pa man. Volunteers are busy. Kamo mo'y mag-una. The first is 10 kilometers run. Ay, ang sakyan ng bibing dagan-dagan. So, ambulance is ready. Kani is 5.
Are you now ready? On your mark. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good luck, 1 kilometer.
5-kilometer runners. Kilometers with kids. Sabay-sabay sa mga mama. Time check, it's 5:10. So, nagka-start na kanina ang 10. 5. And this one will be waiting for the 3 to go. Waiting for the whistle. Ang ingay ng Jen. Hi, ayan, nagpapakuto pa yung grupo. Balang matagalan. So, ayan. They're all out. So, I'll join them in walking. Iwan ko itong mga nagpa-choy-choy. The runners are all out at 5:15. And ako naman, I'll go with them. Kasabay para hindi ako matakot dahil ay Madilim pa dito sa amin. So if you could see the normal dilim without the gen. So 5:15 na, madilim pa. Ay ako'y maglalakad papuntang Jollibee. Ayan. Good morning everyone. This is Tita Barla. Welcome to my channel. So, andito ako today is February 14. Kumbaga, to each his own kami ng aking habibi. Dahil he is busy in the volunteer. Yung work niya. Volunteer work. Ayan, yung Robinsons. And then, kumbaga, hindi na uso yung dapat Valentine's kayo talagang dalawa. So, this is for a cause actually. So, okay lang yan, no? Depende lang naman yan. Ay, ang dilim pa talaga. This is the reality of 5:15 a.m. in our place. So, that's it. So, kumbaga, he has his own, I have my own. So, pwede na yung I can buy my own flowers. So, I'll be walking. Mag-brisk walking na lang ako for life. Or exercise. Ayan. Alright, it's so hard. For the volunteers. Ayan. Meron dito. The Red Cross here. I can buy my own flowers. Ay, hindi. Kakain ako ng Jollibee and I'm almost here. Now, nakita Jollibee. So, ako ang pupunta dyan. Dahil ay bida ang saya. Bida ang saya. Yes. So, here I am here in Jollibee. So, mag-order ako ng breakfast dahil walang nagluluto sa bahay. Guys, good morning. Dili lang, mag-vlog-vlog lang kung ako. This is my order. I will be bringing some to Mother Earth. I am so gutom. So, I'll wait for my number. I'll be bringing something to Mother Earth. Pancake pa di ay too. Pancake and one. Na nalito na ang staff ko what if kuno ang aking kakainin or i-take out. So, sabi ko na lang kasi ang pancake is for Mother Earth. Yan ay bibigay ko yan. So ito na lang siya choco. Hindi ko alam. I'll still be waiting. Walang tao. Time check. Okay? Time check. It's 5:30. Others are all here. Hindi ko alam. Sabay na lang ako kakain. Sabay ni na mother. Take out ko na lang ito. Naku. Utang ko yan. Para maabutan ko pa sila. Mother, mag-breakfast. French fries lang. Kasi pauwi and they are running back. It's 5 minutes to 6. And I'm back in the plaza. Ayan, meron nang nakabalik. Oh, nanaday daghan nakabalik. Daghan ang nakabalik. There. Nakabalik na sila. Thank you so much everyone for watching and please comment so I can come back and visit your place and see you again on my next vlog. This is Tita Barla. Bye.